give a cheer. Wynnum, Manly, red and green. Hear them roar like thunder, another team goes under. Watch the score and now there's more opponents standing gaze in wonder. Wynnum, Manly's mighty Seagulls, always strong and never fearful. Stand your ground and give a cheer. Wynnum, Manly, red and green. We'll not call it treason, soon we'll have good reason to stand and cheer the Seagulls here, the premiership leaders of this season. Wynnum, Manly, mighty team, stronger than they've ever been. Cheer the boys in red and green, leaders of the league.
It's out. It goes to Taylor. Puts the kick into the corner, forward, chasing through. What the bounce out there? It's there for Wynnum. Ricky Taylor selects his own kick. That's the grand final to Wynnum. Ricky Taylor dives on the ball.